So don't take it personally. We understand. It's not got to do with the actors and actresses. See what a serious face I'm making. We love you, Rani. I liked her hairstyle and I liked it.
I liked it. I married her.
Yeah, you married her. Yeah, okay. So.
The winner is...
And the winner is...
Vidya Balan for Hey, Why, Baby, Why?
No. It's Hey, Baby, not Why, Baby.
There's like 6 Y's in it.
But you want to say... Why, baby?
Why, baby?
Why did you dress up like that? Yeah. Where are you, Vidya? Please raise your hand.
Where is she?
Where are you, Vidya? We can't see you. Vidya? Vidya?
Yeah, Vidya, where are you?
Don't hide from us.
Oh, there she is. There she
Where
is. In
she
front
is.
of the
Vidya,
camera.
we just want to say, we love you, Vidya. This is not for you. As I said, this is for the guys who do the creative stuff in films, but because we can't call all the bad directors, bad producers, bad actors, we've called enough.
It's an exclusive function.
It's very exclusive. Film Fair is very exclusive. So we'll just give it to you so you can pass it on to someone else. But honestly, between me and Saif, we love you with clothes.
Without clothes.
Okay. I mean, there should be no hard feelings.
Only soft feelings.
Saif! Let's go down and show our love to Vidya. Vidya. No, you have to take it, darling. I mean, this is, please. Yeah, no,
sorry. Vidya, you mind if I sit in your lap? Just
sit here. Thank you. These are the Nariyal Awards. Vidya, please.
Please accept that gracefully.
Here you are, darling.
Gracefully.
Gracefully, yes. Everybody, let's head for Vidya for being so sporty. Yeah! Okay, she comes from the land of the Nariyal. That's why she's taking. Where is that, darling? We are uneducated, me and Saif.
Kerala.
Kerala. Oh, yeah. Kerala has Nariyals. Okay. Tell us what happened, darling.
What is the story?
Why were the clothes like that? Yeah.
I was asked to trust Sajid and Manish.
Sajid Khan?
Sajid Khan.
Oh, that
and
explains
Manish
a lot of
Malhotra.
things.
Yeah, considering their sense of
his
dressing.
dress sense is quite good
yeah,
as well.
precisely.
Sajid?
So you know where this came from.
Okay, all the best, darling. And what do you think?
What do you think of my clothes?
How do we look tonight?
How do we look?
We really like you. I mean, you want your phone number, but we'll do that later, yeah.
It's not personal.
You know, I must admit, when I first saw you on stage tonight,
Oh, hit me, baby, yeah.
I said, wow, Yashraj has such cool waiters. Yeah, got back!
That was good.
That was good.
That was nice.
You still love me?
You deserve that.
We love you, darling. We love you.
Still love you.
You want? You know, when
Okay.
I'll be seeing you around.
Before that, can I have a glass of water, please?
Ah, yeah. That's all.
Thank you. Vidya Balan.
Where's Vidya? Yeah, get that right here. Okay, Vidya. Love you, darling. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And just want to know, जब तुम मुझको और सैफ को देखती हो, तुम्हारे दिल में पहले वर्ड्स क्या आते हैं?
बता दूं?
Please, बोलो, दिल खोल के बोलो. I know the kind of feelings you have for us. Go for it.
Sodium sulfate.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Vidya, just tell us, हम फिल्म फेयर होस्ट को देखकर तुम्हारे मन में कोई नोटी ख्याल आते हैं?
तुम्हारे दिल में क्या हम दोनों को देखकर या हम फिल्म फेयर होस्ट को देखकर कुछ होता है? Really, go for it.
होता है.
होता है?
बहुत कुछ होता है.
किसके लिए होता है? बताओ हम दोनों में से.
करण जौहर के लिए.
Okay.
And the final question.
समझो विद्या, वर्ल्ड एंड होने को आ रही है. 2 ही मर्द बाकी हैं. 2 sexy guys. सिर्फ दो. Just the 2 of us left.
इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में 2 ही मर्द हैं.
Choose between these 2 macho men.
Macho.
Macho. Thank you. Macho men. Who's it going to be?
Between the 2 of us.
Between the 2 of you. Honest?
Honest, darling.
Honestly.
Go for it.
I'll choose death.
Darling, thank you for insulting us over and over again every time. Thank you very much.
Staying true to the spirit of the occasion. Thank you.
You're truly an insulting lady. Thank you very much.